Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template. So first of all, go to shapes and what you're gonna do is insert the shape and you're gonna increase its internal diameter. And let's rotate it and increase its size. Now let's insert rectangle right here and we're gonna select it and adjust it and we're gonna select both the shapes, go to merge and subtract them. And so the shape that we have now is this one. We're gonna duplicate it by pressing Ctrl D. Now let's rotate it, let's flip it horizontally. And what we're gonna do is place it, both of them like this. And we're gonna select both of them. We're gonna merge them by pressing Union. Now let's duplicate this shape again and we're gonna place it here like this and we're gonna duplicate it about 3 times. Now let's adjust the four of the shapes like this that there is no distance between them. Let's select all of them and let's go to union and let's merge them. Place them onto the left side. Now let's decrease the size now, and the next thing you're gonna do is insert a rectangle that covers the entire of the template. Select both the shapes, go to merge and fragment. And you're gonna move these of these shapes away. And let's remove these remaining parts that were out of the slide. And let's decrease the gap between the three shapes. And that's what we had to do. Now select all of the shapes and remove their outline from shape outline. And let's create some gap between them. Let's select this rectangle and let's change its color to green. For now, I'm using green, but later when I'm gonna add the image, I'll change its color. So in this middle shape, I'm gonna change its color to gray. Let's move the green shape right, like really close to that between in between shape that there is no gap. We're gonna select this shape and we're gonna go to format shape and we're gonna insert an image. And this is the image I'm gonna use. So let's select this shape and I'm gonna use eyedropper to give it the suitable color from the picture. And this one looks white, so I'm gonna use this dark black. And now let's go to shapes. And we're gonna insert a small circle right here that it fits into the that shape, that curve like bend. As you can see, I'm gonna give it gradient of like gray and peach, and that is what I give it the gradient. Let's move it into the bench, like corners right here into them. Duplicate it by pressing Ctrl Z and place the next one into the next shape. You're gonna again duplicate this one. Select the shapes, and what you're gonna do next is add a text box and you're gonna add the text in it. For example, I'm writing the title and the text goes here. Now I'm going to change this color to white. Let's select the text box and create some spacing in between the title. And we're going to select the title and let's increase its size. And we're going to change its font to Ahrani. We're gonna create some spacing in the text and let's increase the body text size as well. And we're gonna adjust all the text, changes color, changes font, bold the title, and let's decrease the size of the text box. And the next thing I'm gonna do is adjust the text box. And I'm gonna add another text box on this circle in which I'm gonna write 1, and I'm gonna increase its size and change its color to black. Let's increase its size and bold it, place it in between this circle, and I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna paste it, and I'm gonna move that second pasted like text into this second circle. Let's change it to 2 and let's duplicate it again and place that third one into the third circle. And I'm gonna select it and remove the text, and I'm gonna change the text to 3. So I have adjusted all of them, and let's select all the text. And we're gonna go to rotate. We're gonna go to align, and we're gonna align them horizontally and in middle, like this. Let's select the text, and what we're gonna do is again like adjust it into the middle, copy it and paste it about 3 times, and add each of the text box in front of the shapes. Like the first one is gonna be the first text title, and the second one is gonna be second, and the third one is gonna be the third one text. So here you can add your own text and your own stuff. Let's duplicate the slide and let's go to the first slide, and we're gonna move this picture onto the left side and select all the text along with the shape, and we're gonna move it onto the right side out of the template. Now we're gonna select the second template, go to transitions and give it more transition. So this is the preview of what we made. So this is the complete slideshow of what we made. And if you like the video, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel, and you can get the template for free from the link in the description below.